Hello, hello, hello world, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels, and if you haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs up, a like, a comment, and make sure that you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell for future notifications when I upload new content, which is on a regular basis. So you're probably wondering why I'm sitting here naked, completely naked in a chair. That is an excellent question, and I'm going to answer it for you. I'm sitting here naked in a chair because I had a viewer who wanted me to go over my nighttime skincare routine. And for me, that is a lot of products because, as you know, or if you're not aware, your skin repairs itself as you sleep. So if you feel like you're only getting 3 or 4 hours of sleep, you're going to feel very groggy and very tired the next day. You're going to have bags under your eyes, and you're going to be very, very cranky. So it's kind of like when you don't have enough food, you become hangry. This is kind of the same idea, but you become cranky and you look tired, your skin looks dull, it looks fatigued. So I have my routine that I use at nighttime, and I'm going to take it off. So I have makeup on from a video that I did earlier today, and I'm going to take it off and show you exactly what products I use and exactly how I actually do it. So to begin with, I'm going to actually remove my hat. It's quite an extensive process. So just so you know, it's 10 steps. That's correct, 10 steps before I actually go to sleep. But that's okay because we have enough time. So just removing my hair, remove my hat, and we're all set to go. Sitting here naked in front of the world. Wow, oh my gosh. Anyways, all the products I'm using are from Lancome Cosmetics, Lancome Skincare, except for the Jeffree Star Lip Velour Scrub in Blue Raspberry. I use this every night just before I brush my teeth to remove excess dead skin cells on the lip, and then I brush my teeth. So, the first thing that we're going to do is take the Lancome by Facile Makeup Remover, Eye Makeup Remover. So this is a fantastic product. It's dual phase, so it mixes the oil and the liquid together so that you have a perfect blend to be able to remove your mascara, your eyeshadow, and any eyeliner that would be waterproof. It removes waterproof makeup. I go through like one of these every 2 weeks. It's absolutely ridiculous. Now, using my Shiseido cotton pads, which are super, super nice. They're made out of cotton. Compared to some of the other products that are on the market that are cotton based, but they're not fully 100% cotton. I put the eye makeup remover on to the pad, and then I'm actually going to hold it actually onto my lid, and I'm going to hold it there for probably about 5 to 7 to 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I'm going to wipe. And look what came off on the pad. Amazing. I'm turning it over to the opposite side, doing the same thing. Putting a couple little drops on. Applying it to the other lid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, that kind of works out because my skincare routine at nighttime is 10 steps, so. And look what came off on that side. So, they always say, do it once and then repeat. Practice makes perfect. So we're going to repeat on this as well to make sure that we remove all the mascara. Ladies, you do not, and teenagers and men, you do not want to be going to bed with your makeup on. It is not great. Actually, it's a horrible idea. And I understand you're at the bar, you come home, you pick someone up, whatever, things happen, and there may be exclusions to this policy, which I call it, because every night I take makeup off. Even if I'm not wearing makeup, I still do this skincare routine at nighttime. My AM daytime routine is quite simple, so I will explain that to you another day, and I won't be naked sitting here in the chair. So yeah, that's been at least 10 seconds because I've been talking. And voila, so we've got most of the eyeshadow off, and we got most of the mascara off, flipping it over to the other side and doing the same thing. So what I was saying is that it's very important to make sure that you're removing your makeup, because if you're not removing your makeup, what happens is that on your pillowcases, the oil and the sebum production, which produces at nighttime, and you sleep and you toss and you turn and you rub all around on the pillowcases, and what happens, it can create, breakouts, and then it can lead to acneic skin as well, which is not great. So if you want pimples, if you want oilier skin, feel free to not remove your makeup. I'm telling you as a beauty professional to remove your makeup. And look at that, mascara is gone. And I'm going to just set this aside. This was my Lancome by Bastille makeup remover. Now, I'm using the Eau Fresh Lancome micellar water for face, eyes, and lips. This I just give a shake. I take my Shiseido cotton pad. I'm going to do a couple of pumps, like so, onto the cotton pad, and come all the way down, forehead, around the eye area, down the bridge of the nose. And what's great about this cotton is that it does not leave any residual traces of fluff on your skin. Some of those cotton pads that are out there are just not so great. So, and look at that. Amazing. So simple, so easy, fantastic. We're going to use the other side just to make sure that we have everything removed. Yes, I do realize, ladies, men, anybody who's watching, I still have my lips on, but that's what this product's for, is for removing lips as well, face, eyes, and lips. And that's why I usually take off the mascara and the eyeshadow and the eyeliner first, which tends to be waterproof, before I actually use the micellar water, which is fantastic. And then you can see basically my skin is cleaned. Clean from the makeup, but it's actually not physically cleaned. Now, after that, I actually am going to use my Lancome cleanser. So I would be doing this at the sink, but I'm going to be doing it here for you. Actually, I'm going to squirt this water in my face. So this water is going to be squirted into my face, and I'm going to apply the foaming cleanser and then towel rinse it off, okay? So I'm just going to close my eyes. Okay, that was my attempt at preparing that. I was in the shower, putting the pump on like so, and now we're actually going to pick up and we're going to massage into the skin. Circular motions and around. Down the neck area. Now with more water, this foams up a lot more, but I just misted my face. Just like so. Squirting myself again, people, with my purple water bottle, all right. And using my purple towel, I'm going to remove the excess. Oh, that just feels fantastic. You probably guys thought that I was actually going to, we were going to a beach party or something like that. So, making sure that we have our lips off, we would actually just do a little bit of the micellar cleansing water on the lips, just like so, and our lipstick is off. Perfect. So we removed our eye makeup, we removed our lips, we've actually cleansed our face. Now I'm using one of Lancome's, I call it a toner, but it's actually an essence, and it's the Absolute Precious Cells Essence. So I'm applying that onto my skin. This actually has real roses in it, just a tiny little bit like so. Massage and apply. Same motions as my cleansing with my cleanser. Give that a sec to sink in. Then I'm using my Advanced Genifique Eye Cream from Lancome. This is for puffiness, dark circles, lines and wrinkles, dehydration, crow's feet as well. We're going to dip in, apply underneath the eye area, and up past the bone, right where when you smile, where you see the crow's feet. And we're going to do little patting motions like so. And then we're going to do the other eye. And voila. So that will help with puffiness, dark circles, lines and wrinkles, and dehydration. After that, we have our Visionaire, which is for pores, for smoothing out pores, for lines, for correction and wrinkles. So this is from Visionaire. It's an anti-correcting, anti-aging serum. 1 or 2 pumps of that, and we're going to apply on the number 11 of the forehead and forehead, down around the nasolabial folds. Now, I want to mention that this skincare routine is what I usually use in wintertime, more so than in summertime and nighttime. The steps are reduced. Skincare doesn't have to be this complicated. I just use all these steps because my skin's used to it and my skin loves it. So after that, this is a fabulous product. It's actually oil-based. It's the Precious Sal's, oh my gosh, I can't read it here. Precious Sal's Nourishing Luminous Oil. So we're going to take a little bit of this. We're going to apply it onto the back of our hand like so. Whoop. And then pick it up. And I use this in the winter months just because of the dryness. And all these products work cohesively together. That's why I like to stick with one particular brand. After that, we're going to use our Lancome Absolute Night Cream. And this is how I apply. And massage in. Another step that you could use, which I don't because I use it on my neck, is using a neck cream. Maybe when I'm a little older, I'll use a firming and lifting neck cream, but right now I'm okay with that. So we've already used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. We are almost done. I'm applying the Absolute Lip Balm, which I usually use on my lips for all my videos, except for do not apply it with liquid lipstick. It does not work, especially with Jeffree Star. And when you have a lip balm on at nighttime, so much easier to go to sleep, and keep it right beside your bed. If you wake up and you're like that and you're so dry, it's so important to have it right beside your bed. So that is my 10-step skincare routine. That was the 9 steps. The 10th step is using the Jeffree Star scrub on your lips. And I would normally do this before I put the lip balm on, scrub that around, brush my teeth, and put the lip balm on, and off to bed I go. So that is my 10-step skincare routine for PM, and skincare doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be, super expensive. It just depends on what products you actually like and your skin actually loves as well. So skincare is my passion, makeup is my passion, fragrance is my passion. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back to talk about makeup, skincare, and fragrance tips with you in the next little while. Thank you so much for watching. All the best and keep on smiling.